guys, welcome back. It's your girl Tasha and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Tasha, and yeah, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe as well as like, comment, share these videos. So today we're going to be doing a hygiene haul. I'm also going to be getting some cleaning supplies because I've been needing some. I ran out, and I also picked up some cleaning supplies this week that I want to show you guys that I got. I went to Kitchen Stuff and I got those. So yeah, we're just gonna head to Walmart. I'm gonna go pick up some hygiene products. It's very cold right now. We're heading into winter, so I'm gonna look for more moisturizing type lotions as well as pick up some Jergens. I love my Jergens lotion. Even if I have a cream or whatever I'm using, I just love the smell of that stuff, so I hope that I find some. Just come along with me. We're gonna head out. I was trying not to go in the night because if you guys see my other videos, I've been going in the night because the sun be coming down so quick, so I had to like rearrange my schedule so that I was able to go in daytime. I don't know, to me it makes a big difference. But yeah, let's head out to Walmart. Hey guys, so we are in Walmart. I'm gonna head over to the hygiene section. I actually haven't been in this Walmart for a while, so I hope they have what I'm looking for. I haven't been able to find the native body wash, so hopefully I can find it in here. Okay, see that they have the Dial Clean and Gentle. I'm also really feeling this one with the hibiscus water. They have this one. It's a hydrating body wash. It's such a pretty bottle. But yeah, this one has macadamia oil and soft peony. Is that what you call it? I was thinking if I don't find the native body wash, I'll probably get one of these ones because I've been hearing some good stuff about it. They have this one. I'll just show you a couple that they have. So there's this one. And they also see that they have this sugar and cocoa butter. This one looks good. So I also needed some lotion. I told myself for sure I'm gonna get my Jergens. Whoa, I see they have this big bottle of Jergens here. I'm gonna see how much it is, because if it makes sense, I'll probably just get this bigger bottle since I love it so much. And it's on sale. It's on a rollback for $7.27. I can't tell you the last time I actually saw the Jergens on sale. It's been a minute. And I also see that they have the Olay lotions here. I haven't been able to find these. This is the Olay lotion. It looks similar to the body wash, so you have to make sure you actually look and make sure it says lotion. So I remember I was actually looking for the lotion and end up only seeing the body wash. So this one is the one that has vitamin C in it. I don't see well, this is not the spot they have the body washes anyways, but I don't see the native body wash so far. Last Walmart I went to was sold out. When it comes to winter and dry skin, I love to get Nivea products. This one's actually almost $15. I mean, this stuff, it works really good though, so it's actually worth it to me. Winter gets very cold and it will dry like the creases of your fingers a lot, so it's always good to use like a cream when the weather is a little bit more colder. So they have the cocoa butter and it has 48 hours deep moisture. Again, I really love Nivea stuff. Usually when it says it's gonna give, it usually gives. They have these cute gift sets here. They're only $4.97 and it comes with 4 bath bombs, so you're basically paying like $1.25 each bath bomb, and cute packaging to me. No, these are the gifts. Guys, I almost forgot that I also needed face wash as well as my face moisturizer. I see they have like a whole kit here for like $29 of the face kit. Ooh. Okay, so it wasn't the face wash that I actually needed. It was actually my Hydro Boost that I ran out of. This stuff is a must for me. Okay, this one was the night cream. I don't really think I used the night cream one. I used this one. It's just the regular Hydro Boost Neutrogena. Okay guys, so we're gonna go to the cleaning section out because I need some laundry detergent. This cart's making so much noise. I need some laundry detergent, some fabric softener. I already have some cleaning products at home that I really want to show you guys that I got last week. I usually like pick up certain cleaning supplies, especially from the Dollar Tree, but I've been watching some videos and I've seen some new cleaning products and I picked them up and I'm actually really excited to use them. So I'll show you guys those when I get home. But for now, I just need to pick up some laundry detergent and stuff to do my laundry, because everything just ran out at one time. So it's just that I don't come to this Walmart as much, so I'm just trying to find where cleaning supplies would be. Anyways guys, so this one, the one that has a bonus amount in it, it actually is the same price as the smaller bottles. So duh, I'm gonna buy the bigger one. It's the same as this. Good thing I picked it up, because I was leaving it there because I was like, you know what, it's probably gonna be more money, but I was like, let me find the scanner and check. Yeah, when I see a sale, I get super excited, guys. Don't mind me in the toy aisle. I had to run because I usually like doing this stuff when there's like nobody in the store. Okay, so this setup is looking like one of the Walmarts I go to. So if it's anything like that, then the cleaning stuff should be down this way. I was totally going the wrong way. Okay, so guys, I found the cleaning aisle. I need some dish soap. Ooh, I see that they have these Dawn spray and wipe. Never used this before. I'm so old school. I'm like, do I want to use this? Doesn't have the same amount of soap. Let's see, this has 473 mils. This one was the same price, has 650 mils. So yeah, you know what I mean. So they have the Palm Olive OxyClean, which is one of my favorites. Then they have this one that's 277, and it's the 473 mil. And then they have the 982 mil for 397. So I also need some laundry detergent. I see they have the Gain here for $10. Now obviously I'm gonna still look around, see if I see a better deal, but at least I know that this has a bit of a sale going on. They also have some Downy. I love this Downy. It smells so good. So we are back. I'm gonna show you everything that I purchased from Walmart. I feel like I'm so much more closer. Let me head back a little bit. So I ended up getting this Olay body wash. I'm actually really excited to try it. I've heard so much about it. Just want to see how it smells. It smells good. Usually for me, I like vanilla, coconutty type smells, but I'm trying, or type scents, but I'm trying to like, you know, accept other scents, and I've been enjoying it, because you know when you're just used to something, so you just want to smell that scent all the time. I've just been trying and appreciating new scents these days, and yeah, this is more of like a flowery type scent, but sometimes when you actually use it in the shower, it smells different from what you would smell it, you know, outside of the shower. I got my Jergens. I'm so excited. This is the cherry almond scent, my favorite Jergens scent. I love this. It smells so good. It lasts so long on your body. I've got my Neutrogena Hydro Boost as usual. I ain't changing this stuff right now. This stuff works really well for me, so yeah. I also got my Dial Gentle body wash. I love Dial, and I love when my products are more clear than having like a color to it. Then it just has less chemicals, less dyes and all of that, and I just feel like it works better, especially for shampoo. I realize when my shampoo is clear, it's actually way better for my scalp. So that's just a tip. In case sometimes you wonder, like, should you get the clear shampoo? For me, especially when it has like no silicone, no paraben, guys, or it'll just make me very nice. So maybe don't. I usually tend to go for clear type products when it comes to my shampoo or my body wash, because I feel like not only does it work better, it also has less chemicals in it. So that was pretty much it that I got for the hygiene stuff. I didn't get much. I just got simply what I needed. You know, we're all about a budget here, so I just fit it into the budget, make sure that I just get what I need. So next time, most likely I'll get like hair stuff, because I got a lot of hair shampoo and conditioner. I got a lot of body sprays, so I don't really need that stuff, so I just stuck to what I needed. Yeah, so I'm going to show you the rest of the stuff that I got from Walmart. So I ended up getting the Gain fabric detergent, because when I was in the aisle, you guys saw that I picked up 2 fabric softeners. I had to go back into Walmart and ask them to exchange it. It was so annoying because I took a credit from school. But yes, I ended up getting the scent Moonlight Breeze, but it actually wasn't on sale, so that was not cool. This was a 12 something, and it's just annoying because in my last haul I ended up picking a big bottle of Sunlight up for $11.97 and this smaller one for $12.97. So I know we're not going to see a sale all the time, but when I see a sale I like to take advantage of it. Got some Downy. This is one of my favorite scented Downies. Smells so good. Usually I get the little pebbles to go in my laundry. I still have some left, so I was like, no, I don't need to buy right now. I'll just get that on my next trip. It's Christmas time right now. I didn't even finish buying Christmas presents, so I stuck it specifically to what my budget is right now. I got some Palm Olive dish soap. Completely ran out of this stuff. My favorite one, the OxyClean. This one is just the most powerful to me. Palm Olive is one of my favorite brands for dish soap. I know it's probably just dish soap and people don't care, but I care because I'm not trying to stay at the sink and just be washing forever and ever. What I like about it is that it gets the stuff off right away. And then those sponges I show you that I get from the Dollar Tree, those were stupendous. But that's even worse. It smells good and it just works well. Now kitchen stuff and plus that I picked up. I don't shop at this store often, but I was like, I need to come here a little bit more. What I mainly went in there for was Scrub Daddy products. I always hear about Scrub Daddy, but I never ended up buying anything. I got the dish dispenser, the self-standing one. This is the dish, it's the Dish Daddy. And what I like about this is that you open it up and you put the liquid inside. I wanted to actually use on like my tiles and like the grout. But yes, I just feel like this might just do a great job. It feels super coarse and it has like a sponge in between. But I don't think you can take off the top piece. But yeah, I just wanted to give this a try and see if it, you know, makes it much better when it comes to my cleaning. It has instructions on the back, and I think this is the little piece that you squish here when you have the soap inside and you just use it. I also got the Scrub Mommy. It looks like that. You can also use this on like your stove top, anywhere that it's just hard for things to come out, and you can just use dish soap with it and it should work fairly good, especially since, you know, they have those the metal ones that look silver. You can use those as well, but I use those. I use the ones that are like the steel ones, but I want to give this a try and see if I like using these better. I also got the Scrub Daddy, like the one I was just telling you guys about. They have it looking like this. It's in the steel package, and this is also good for like pots and pans and stuff. I just wanted to use these to incorporate into my cleaning and see, you know, the difference and if I like it. I also got the Scrub Daddy erasure sheets, and there are 10 scrubbing sheets. This is for more like spot cleaning. This should, you know, help you get rid of that. But yes, that is the end of my haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, as well as subscribe. Share these videos, share them on Facebook, share them with your friends. Comment down below, let me know what you liked best. If you want to try those Scrub Daddy, guys, let me know, did you guys try Scrub Daddy? How did it work for you? Am I gonna enjoy it? I hope I do. I just wanted to get something different, something new, and see, you know, like even when you get new hygiene products, you buy them, you test them out, you smell them, and you just see if they work well. Same thing goes for me and my cleaning supplies. So yeah, if you tried Scrub Daddy before and it worked out well for you, let your girl know in the comments. I would really appreciate that. Until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye.